Greetings, I'm Geofatboy. I make shaving videos and sell shaving supplies. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving needs. Have a great shave, have a great day. Greetings gents, I'm Geofatboy for shavenation.com. Today we're definitely going to change it up a little bit. Normally I shave with the grain, across the grain, against the grain. We're going to try something completely different that flies against the grain of everything I've done before. This time I'm going to use the R41, the beast of safety razors. Here it is. This is the standard model. You can also go big or go home with the grande version. Here's the difference between the two. If you prefer a longer handle, thicker, longer handle, this is perfect for you. Also a 3-piece razor. Or you can go with the twist, which is a 2-piece razor. Unscrew the knob at the bottom. It breaks down into 2 pieces instead of 3. The grande and the twist version, just about exactly the same size. If you shave with a regular razor and switch to an R41, most likely you can go from 3 passes to 2 or from 2 passes to 1. So it's that much more efficient and aggressive shaving than most other razors. Back to the now for something completely different. What I will do today is I'll shave with the standard version R41 and I'll try to do it in just 1 pass. And instead of going with the grain, across the grain, I will just do 1 pass against the grain, which I've never done that before. So let's try that. This will be an experiment. This will be fun. I think it might hurt. I don't know. I've got a couple, 3 days worth of beard growth here, as you can see. And what else would I use? I'm going to use a feather blade right here. The sharpest blade out there. And let's load it up. Disassemble handle, top cap. Let's grab the feather blade from its paper packaging. Got it right there. And just insert that over the post and the 2 pins like so. Reinstall that safety bar or base plate and the handle. All right, the beast is ready to rock and roll now. R41. Somebody also suggested don't use a bowl. Okay, so I will not use a bowl today. I will face lather and I'll use George F. Trumper's Rose shaving cream. Take a peek. Look at that. It's a beautiful color. Smells fantastic. Light, flowery, airy, beautiful scent. And I'll use the same pre-shave and aftershave. In case you weren't aware, a lot of pre-shaves you can also use as your aftershave. So I will use this George F. Trumper Coral Skin Food, and I will use this as a pre-shave. Because of the fact that I'm going to try this with just 1 pass, I really want to use a pre-shave. You want to soften the beard, hydrate it, get it ready for that blade to go across and slice it off cleanly. So a pre-shave is very important for that. Today I will use the Simpsons Trafalgar T2 shaving brush. There's a T1, T2, T3. This is the one right in the middle, medium. And it says on here, Sovereign Synthetic Fiber, handmade, right there. So that's what I'll use today. And I will drop it in a cup of hot water just to saturate those bristles. Here's what it looks like when it's dry. Drop it in the water. Now it's saturated, that's what it looks like. Let that soak for a couple minutes while I warm up my face and we'll get right to the shave. All right, I've got my face good and hot. As you can see, it's red. Now I'll apply the pre-shave, Coral Skin Food. Pop the cap, a few drops of this. It's a balmy, thick type liquid. Right there. Massage that right into the beard. You can't see it, but it will provide you with a nice little pre-coating for your shaving cream. Soften the beard, prepared for the shave ahead. And now I'll remove the brush from the cup. A couple shakes, remove most of that water with the synthetic brush. You want to really shake out most of that water. And I'll go right into this George F. Trumper's Rose. Going to load the tips. And you will see that the brush will turn red. Check it out. Even got some on the handle, but that's okay. A little bit of hot water. I'll go right to the face and start lathering. You can see that it's pink. A little more water. So you take the water out of the synthetic brush and then put it back in a little bit at a time, which I'll do. It's very thick right now. A little more water. Work it into a nice foamy lather. You don't want to drown out the lather in the beginning, but you can add a bit at a time as you go along. All right, let's set the brush down. Let's clear the runways so we can see our sideburns. Well, this is very slick, this shaving cream. Difficult to wipe off. Okay, here's the razor. R41 standard with a feather blade. Normally I shave with the grain, top to bottom for the first pass, but since I'm only doing one pass, I'm going to go bottom to top. We'll start at the bottom and work our way up. Lots of stubble there. Well, let's rinse this. Now the other side. Very slick shaving cream. The neck is quite clean. Okay, let's rinse that. We'll keep working our way straight up. You want to skim right here. Just find that sweet spot where the top cap and the safety bar come together. That's where you want to be. Very good. Let's rinse that. Now the left side. The hardest area to shave is your chin, so be careful there. I'm stretching the skin. Flip it over. Just cleaning it up. Very good, let's rinse that. Now the mustache against the grain, also difficult. Let's do a rinse and see what it looks like. Take our Shave Nation wide stick alum block, remove the cap, soak it under the cold water, and just glide that all around the areas you've shaved. Let that soak in for about 30 seconds and then rinse it off. Let's pat the face dry. a little bit different shaving that way. You have to go slow and be really careful, but it is possible. One pass, which took a little bit longer because I was going slow, just because you need to be careful, like I said. And as you can see, I was able to achieve a nice, clean, smooth shave in one pass with the R41. The only issue I see is that it was difficult for me when you're going against the grain. It's almost impossible to get a perfect straight line on your sideburns. So we will just go with a little, just like that. Tighten them up a little bit. There we go. All right, nice and even on both sides and nice and straight. But there you have it. One pass with the R41 against the grain. I wouldn't even try this unless you're a seasoned veteran and you feel confident that you can do it in one pass with the R41. Oh, let's apply our aftershave, the Curl Skin Food again. A couple drops here. Massage that together. This smells fantastic. Really light, fresh scent. Some nice protection throughout the day. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to pick up any of these items, the R41, Standard, Twist, Grande, the Trumper Shaving Cream, Curl Skin Food, the brush, any of the above, just click below the video where it says show more. You can find things right there, or go to shavenation.com, enter what you need in the search box. It'll pop right up. Please do me a favor before I head out, click that subscribe button, then click the bell, then click all. You'll be notified of all my upcoming videos. They'll go right to your inbox. You won't miss any. Thank you very much for watching. Visit shavenation.com for all your shaving supplies. I'm Geofatboy. Have a great shave. Have a great day. Uh-oh. Looks like I have a 4 o'clock shadow. Got to go to shavenation.com. Have a great shave. Have a great day.